ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் MCQ கிளாஸ் 3 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், which of the following conditions in the most common form of hyperthyroidism? Option A, Graves' disease. Option B, Cushing syndrome. Option C, Hashimoto's disease. Option D, Addison's disease. Answer, option A, Graves' disease. Next, second question, which of the following statement is correct regarding fast breathing in a child? Option A, more than 60 breath per minute in a child more than 12 months. Option B, more than 50 breath per minute in a child of age between 2 months to 1 year. Option C, more than 40 breaths per minute in a child of more than 2 months. Option D, more than 70 breaths per minute in a child of more than 18 months. Answer, option B, more than 50 breaths per minute in a child of age between 2 months to 1 year. Third question, enlargement of thyroid gland occurs in option A, hypothyroidism. Option B, hyperthyroidism. Option C, tumor of thyroid. Option D, all of the above. Answer, option D, all of the above. Fourth question, restoration of ability following disease, illness or injury is termed as option A, illness. Option B, quarantine. Option C, rehabilitation. Option D, disability. Answer, option C, rehabilitation. Fifth question, which medicine used to prevent preterm delivery? Option A, prostaglandin inhibitor. Option B, tocolytic medicine. Option C, anticoagulant. Option D, antispasmodic. Answer, option B, tocolytic medicine. Sixth question, rural health mission started by which of the following committee? Option A, Bohr committee. Option B, Chadha committee. Option C, Janganwala committee. Option D, Srivastav committee. Answer, option D, Srivastav committee. Seventh question, the nurse anticipates which of the following EKG changes when a patient experiences myocardial infarction? Option A, ST segment elevation. Option B, prolonged PR interval. Option C, prominent U wave. Option D, short QT interval. Answer, option A, ST segment elevation. Eighth question, the majority of pulmonary emboli originate in the option A, pelvic area. Option B, deep leg vein. Option C, right atrium. Option D, lung tissue. Answer, option B, deep leg vein. Ninth question, Duke's criteria is related to which disease condition? Option A, encephalitis. Option B, hydrocephalus. Option C, typhoid. Option D, infective endocarditis. Answer, option D, infective endocarditis. 10th question, which is the longest bone in the upper extremities? Option A, humerus. Option B, hip bone. Option C, femur. Option D, knee bone. Answer, option A, humerus. 11th question, which among the following is a health promotion nursing diagnosis? Option A, hyperthermia. Option B, impaired memory. Option C, risk for falls. Option D, readiness for enhanced self-care. Answer, Option D. Readiness for enhanced self-care. 12th question. A client confides to the nurse that he tasted poison in his evening meal. This would be an example of what type of hallucination? Option A. Visceral. Option B. Olfactory. Option C. Gustatory. Option D. Auditory. Answer. Option C. Gustatory. 13th question. When the nurse is evaluating lab data for a client 18 to 24 hours after a major thermal burn, the expected physiological changes would include which of the following? Option A. Elevated serum sodium. Option B. Elevated serum calcium. Option C. Elevated serum protein. Option D. Elevated hematocrit. Answer. Option D. Elevated hematocrit. 14th question. A client has developed hepatitis A after eating contaminated oysters. The nurse assesses the client for which expected assessment finding? Option A. Malaise. Option B. Dark stool. Option C. Weight gain. Option D. Left upper quadrant discomfort. Answer. Option A. Malaise. 15th question. Name of the position in below image. Option A. Side lying. Option B. Supine. Option C. Prone. Option D. Lithotomy. Answer. Option D. Lithotomy. 16th question. The most common method of reproduction of bacteria is Option A. A host. Option B. Moisture. Option C. Light. Option D. Oxygen. Answer. Option B. Moisture. 17th question. Identify the image. Option A. Vascular clamp. Option B. Tracheal dilator. Option C. White-Lanner retractor. Option D. Morris retractor. Answer. Option C. White-Lanner retractor. 18th question. Identify the diagram. Option A. Abruptio placenta. Option B. Placenta previa. Option C. Vasa previa. Option D. None. Answer. Option A. Abruptio placenta. 19th question. The type of learning results information of an attitude in individual. Option A. Cognitive. Option B. Emotional. Option C. Skill. Option D. Ideational. Answer. Option B. Emotional. 20th question. The heteropolysaccharide that acts as a lubricant and shock absorber in joints is Option A. Hyaluronic acid. Option B. Heparin. Option C. Cellulose. Option D. Glycogen. Answer. Option A. Hyaluronic acid.